Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu remedies, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So let's start with our today's video. So today I'm going to talk about the personality traits of number 1. That what are the personality traits of people who are born on 1st, 10th, 19th and 28th of any month. Let's see what are the characteristics, their nature and what kind of attitude they have towards their life and what kind of attitude they have towards others, how they are in their professional life and how they are in their personal life. Let's see what are the personality traits. So now if I consider 19 number here, you have to add 19. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. It comes to 1. And then 28. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, which is again equal to 1. So people who are born on 1st, 10th, 19th and 28th of any month are ruled by number 1. And number 1 is the number of sun. And we all know that sun is the king of all the planets. Sun is the center of attention. It gets attention from all the planets, as each and every planet revolves around sun. So that's why people with number 1 are the attention seekers. They are the center of attention. So wherever they go, they are always number 1. As the number 1 itself says, it's a number 1. Why do we say that this person is number 1 wherever he is or wherever she is? Because number 1 is a number 1. They are given number 1 tag. And these people are always in the limelight. For example, if it's a party going on, or if it's a board meeting or a business meeting, then that person, people who have got 1 in the birth chart, will get the attention from all the people. He will always be in the limelight. He will always be the center of attention. So that's why they are the attention seekers. And they love seeking attention from other people. It's in their personality traits. Since Sun is the king of all the planets, number 1 has got the characteristics like a king. Their nature is like a king. That's why they're natural born leaders. They are given a term, true born leaders. Why the leadership term is given to them? Because they do have a very strong leadership quality in them. They do possess that qualities and capabilities that are required to be a leader. And they love leading a business. And they are very good. They are pretty good at leading a business, leading a team, whether it's their professional life or it's their personal life. They are very good at managing things. They manage things, people or business in a very well manner, in a much organized manner, I would say. Because they always want to have authority in their life. And they don't like people who control them. In fact, they like controlling people. They do have a very good control over the people. And they're always wanting to command over the people. They have that liking from the inside that they want to command, because commanding and leading comes naturally to them. They like to command over the other people. And they do have a very good observation skill, very good judgmental power these people possess. Because if they are the leader of any particular team and if they are leading a business, so they know that which kind of work is to be allocated to which kind of person, as per the capabilities and qualities of that person. So that's why they are pretty much good at leading a business. And their love for leading is like that. They always want to reach at a very top level position. They want a top level authority in their life. And until they don't get a top level position, until they don't reach their goals, until they don't achieve their targets, they're not satisfied in their life. They're not happy. What gives them happiness is achieving their goals, climbing the ladder of success and reaching a top level position. They always strive for independence, the power, position and authority, where they can have authority, control and where they can command over the other people, because they do possess a very good communication skill as well. That's why these people do very good at leading positions. Even if they are into job, they will always be at the top level management. And currently, if they're not at a leading position, they will really work hard. They will work day and night to achieve their goals, to achieve that level of position. And now comes the next quality, as I said earlier as well, that they are highly independent individuals. They strive for independence because they don't like to be dependent on any other person for anything. Even it's for a small thing, they don't like to be dependent on any other person, whether it's their personal life or it's their professional life. They strive for independence as they are highly ambitious individuals. They're extremely ambitious and they do have big ideas, goals, and plans in their mind. And they are very good at making decisions. And once any idea hit their mind, they'll work on that idea, they'll work on their goal immediately, instantly, without any hesitation. They'll take big steps in their life. And they are very good at taking risks. This is another quality. These individuals are known as risk takers because they have a very bold, courageous, and a very dynamic personality. Since number one has got the energies of the sun, sun is the hottest planet in our solar system. We all know that. This has got positive trait and a negative trait as well. First, I'll tell you about the positive trait. These individuals are very bold and courageous individuals. They have a dynamic personality, as I said, and that's why they are very bold at making decisions. They are very bold at taking risks in their life. They believe in taking risks, and the fire of the sun, the passion that is there inside them, the sun ignites the fire and passion within their soul, which motivates them, which encourages them to move forward in their life, to take a step ahead in their life, to achieve their goals, to achieve their targets in their life. And that's why they are very bold and courageous individuals, and they are very good at taking risks. They are excellent risk takers, I would say. And now comes the next quality. Number one individuals are very creative. They get creative ideas on how they can expand their business operations, or how they can generate new or how they can generate income and profits in their business, how they can recover their losses from the business, and what kind of employees they need to recruit for their business. Then they have a very positive mindset and a logical mindset too, and they have a very practical attitude towards life. Plus, they are very optimistic individuals. They have the quality of motivating and guiding the other person in a very beautiful and in a very pleasant manner. They can guide the people in a very, I would say, in a very soothing manner that impresses the other person, because people do look up to the individuals who are with number one for guidance, for motivation, for inspiration, for encouragement. For example, if you need a lot of motivation in your life, if you feel that you are feeling low, if you feel that you are less confident in your life, then you can approach people who have got one number in their birth chart. They are very good at motivating, guiding. They are very good at providing a good path. They are showing the right path, I would say. They have big ideas, big plans in their mind, and they have a very positive mindset. So they think in a very positive manner. They have a different perspective towards life. That's why they can guide you in a very well manner, in a very efficient manner, I would say. Now I'll be telling you some negative traits of people who got number one in their birth chart. People who are born on 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th of any month. So since they have very strong and great determination towards achieving their goals, though it's a very good thing in the professional life, but sometimes they take very harsh decisions in their life, that they get stubborn at some point in their life. And stubbornness is a negative trait, because showing stubbornness always is not a good thing. So the guidance for number one individuals is that try to be less stubborn and try to be patient enough, because there is another trait that people with number one have in them, because they are ruled by sun, and sun is the hottest planet in the entire solar system. So people with number one are really short-tempered as well. So the guidance for number one individuals is that try to be patient enough, be calm and composed, and try to understand the other person's point of view sometimes, because not understanding might create a lot of misunderstandings, conflicts, or fights, not only in your professional life, but it will also affect your personal life too. Because in relationships or in your married life, you need to be understanding enough. You need to be patient. You need to be calm and composed to understand the other person's point of view. That's why try to be less stubborn and try to be patient enough to understand the other person's perspective. Now, at last but not the least, I will be telling you about some famous personalities who are born on 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th of any month, and who have done wonders in their life and in the lives of other people as well, and people who have reached at a very top level position in their life. So, first is Ratan Tata. We all know who Ratan Tata is and where he has reached today. Then comes Dhirubhai Ambani. Then comes Mukesh Ambani. He is born on 19th. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, which is again equal to 1. Then comes Indira Gandhi. She was also born on 19th, and we all know what she has done for the country. Then comes Sushmita Singh, Miss Universe. She's also born on 19th. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, again is equal to 1. So we all know these famous personalities and what they have done in their life, where they have reached in their lives, and what kind of impact they have created in the world. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about numerology, you need some Vastu remedies, or you need some crystal healing tips, so you can definitely share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu remedies, or you need to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me through my Instagram account. Links for the same are mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.